Hey everyone, welcome to Tracking Your Phone YouTube channel. Here we review the latest mobile phone tracking software, discuss the best parental control tools, find the best geofencing solutions, discuss the social media spy methods, and fight cyberbullying together. In this video, we will tell you how to fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo without losing data. If you use an iPhone, you have likely encountered the frustrating issue of seeing your iPhone get stuck on the Apple logo and just can't get past it. So keep watching the video till the very end because you will learn about all of the different ways that you can fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo by yourself. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Part 1. What may cause the iPhone stuck on Apple logo? If your iPhone screen is frozen on the Apple logo, you might be curious about what caused the issue. If you know the reason behind the problem, you can prevent it from happening again in the future. Here are some of the most common causes of your iPhone getting stuck on the Apple logo. It's a problem with the upgrade. You may notice that your iPhone is frozen on the Apple logo right after you upgrade to the latest iOS 16. This can happen for various reasons, but it usually happens when you try to install the newest iOS on an older phone. Besides the iOS issues, iOS 16 is also known as one of the most problematic iOS versions. You can find other iOS update problems here. You attempted to jailbreak your phone. Whether you did the jailbreak yourself or you took it to a technician, your iPhone can get stuck on Apple logo after you've tried the jailbreak process. It happens after you restore from iTunes. It doesn't matter why you are restoring your iPhone. It can get stuck on Apple screen after you restore it from iTunes or from iCloud during an update or restore. We all have to update or restore iPhones regularly for different reasons. If you have a problem while installing an update or doing a normal restore, your iPhone 13, iPhone 12, or any other iPhone model can get stuck on the Apple logo screen. Hardware damages. Some internal hardware damages can also affect your iPhone. If you accidentally dropped your iPhone or exposed your iPhone to liquid damage, it can be the reason that your iPhone 14 is frozen on Apple logo. Part 2. The simplest solution. Fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo without any data loss. If your iPhone screen is frozen on the Apple logo and you want to find the easiest way to fix it, you can try a simple and affordable solution that will solve your problem and preserve your data. Go to the Dr. Phone website and look for the System Repair option. The Dr. Phone team has created Dr. Phone System Repair to deal with various iPhone issues, such as the stuck on the Apple logos issue that you are facing. It repairs your iOS and restores it to normal, without causing any data loss at all. Step 1. Download the Dr. Phone program and then install it on your PC or Mac computer. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable and navigate to the dashboard and select System Repair. Step 3. A window will pop up. Select iOS Repair, and you can find Standard Repair Mode and Advanced Repair Mode. You are advised to use Standard Repair Mode first. Step 4. Another window will then pop up, and your device model information is automatically detected. You need to choose to download the right matched iOS firmware. Step 5. As soon as the download has finished, Dr. Phone will begin repairing the problem that is causing the frozen Apple logo on your screen. Step 6. Once the problem is repaired, your phone will restart automatically. You should now be able to use it as normal. Woo! That annoying problem is fixed, and you can rest easy that your phone is fixed. That annoying Apple logo stuck on your iPhone will finally go away. Part 3. Force restart iPhone to fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo. Using a forced restart to fix an iPhone when it is stuck on the Apple logo is usually the first thing that people try, and it can work. It usually works best when there are no other problems with your iPhone in the first place. How to force restart iPhone 8, iPhone SE 2nd generation, or later to fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo. Press and release the volume up button. Press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the button on the side for about 10 seconds. These actions should be performed in a quick succession of one another. Once the Apple logo appears, you can release the side button. Part 4. Restore iPhone to fix the iPhone stuck on logo in recovery mode. If you have to restore your iPhone in recovery mode to solve the frozen Apple logo problem, this means that all of the data on your iPhone will be erased. You should make sure that you have the latest backup of your iPhone and your computer is equipped with the most current version of iTunes. For iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14, connect your iPhone to the computer and open iTunes. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Connect to iTunes screen. After you put the iPhone in recovery mode successfully, click on Restore in the dialog box and follow the on-screen instructions to restore your iPhone and get rid of the iPhone stuck on Apple logo issue. For your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7, connect your iPhone to the computer and open iTunes Finder. Hold down the power button and the volume down buttons at the same. You will see the white Apple logo screen too. Just keep holding the two buttons until you see the Connect to iTunes screen. Part 5. Restore iPhone to fix the iPhone stuck on logo in DFU mode. Fix iPhone 8, plus iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14 stuck on Apple logo in DFU mode. Plug your iPhone into your Mac or PC. Make sure iTunes Finder is running. Press and release the volume up button quickly. Press and release the volume down button quickly. Then hold the power slide button until the screen goes black. Then press and hold the volume down button while continuing to hold the side button. After 5 seconds, release the side button, but continue to hold the volume down button until you see the iTunes has detected an iPhone in recovery mode. Once you put the iPhone in DFU mode, click the OK button on the iTunes pop-up window and then click Restore to restore your iPhone in DFU mode. Fix iPhone 7 and 7 Plus stuck on the Apple logo in DFU mode. Connect your iPhone to your PC or laptop with a USB and turn on iTunes Finder. Press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time for at least 8 seconds. Let go of the power button, but keep pressing the volume down button. You should see a message that says, iTunes has detected an iPhone in recovery mode. When you let go of the volume button, your screen should go fully black. If it doesn't, you'll need to repeat the process. At this point, you can restore your iPhone in DFU mode using iTunes. So, we showed you some solutions to iPhone stuck on Apple logo. Thumbs up if you liked this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips on phone tracking solutions. Hope to see you in our next video. Till then, bye.